Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable and schedule Do Not Disturb settings on your Google Pixel phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the settings menu on your phone. So you may need to scroll up and then select the settings button. At this point, you want to select the notifications button and then scroll down underneath General, select Do Not Disturb, and then make sure Do Not Disturb is turned on. If it says turn off now, it means it's currently enabled and it's turned on. So if you want to schedule a Do Not Disturb, go ahead and underneath General, select the Schedules button, and then you can select when you want the Do Not Disturb to be enabled. So just toggle to the right to turn it on. And you can click inside of the event type in order to edit the day, time, as well as different settings that can be overridden, like if you want to have alarms override the end time, if you want to get notified about certain alarms. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.